All right, we've got an outside version today, okay? So it's a bit similar to the jumping games, but this time we are going to have a go at throwing a bottle to try and land on different things. I am really bad at this, but you bet you're much better, and it's going to make our arm muscles really, really strong. And we might do the names of some colours or shapes or numbers or letters, whatever you want this one is, okay? So I've got my chalks and I'm going to write some colours on here, some numbers, some shapes, and I'm then going to have a go flicking my bottle and seeing which ones they land on. If you can get your whole family to play with this, then you've all got to see who can actually get the bottle to land the right way up. Now, if you can get that, you've got to work out a prize for yourself. I know I can't do that, so you've got to work out a prize whoever manages to land the bottle the right way up. You can also have a little go at emptying and filling the bottle to see if it's any easier with more water or less water. Okay, so let's get started on the chalks. I've got my chalks, I'm outside, it's nice and sunny, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a big green circle. Okay, now the next one I'm going to do, I'm throwing chalk about, is a number 1. So I'm going to draw a number 1 on my next one. Do them quite big because the bottle's quite big. Okay, the next one I'm going to do over here is I'm going to do a yellow square. Now, if you already know all your squares, circles and that, you might do some funny shapes like ovals or pentagons, okay? So I got my yellow square. And then I'm going to do a blue number 6, because 6 and 9 are often really hard to get the right way around. You might even do some big numbers. And then I am going to take my chalks up here. Let's take you with me. Ooh, we're going up the patio. And I'm going to put a squiggle. Because they don't have to be regular shapes. I'm going to do a wiggly wiggly squiggle. And on this one, I'm going to put one of the letters I always find that you lot forget. I'm going to put a N. Okay, I've still got more space because I've got more squares on my patio. So I'm going to crawl along again. You're going to crawl with me. Whoa. There we go, a little bit further. Now I'm running out of colours of chalks because I keep doing too much chalking on the floor. So I'm going to have to use my green again. But this time I'm going to do a trickier shape. I'm going to do a pentagon. So that's got 5 sides. So you can do trickier things. And I might do a number 17. Scooter out the way. And then I've got 2 more squares left. So I'm going to do an oval. I'm going to do a blue oval. And then I'm going to pick another funny shape. I'm going to do a yellow crescent moon. Okay. Now, if you haven't got any slabs out the back or front of your house, you've got a drive, you can do it on that. I haven't got a drive. Or, as long as it's safe and you're with a grown-up, you can do it on the pavement. So, we've got some numbers, we've got some shapes, the shapes are different colours, the numbers are different colours. Now we've got our bottle. So you need to go and get your bottle, okay? Decide if you're going to put a little bit of water in it, or halfway like I've done, or you might want to fill it all the way to the top. If you're playing with lots of people, you can either share the bottle, or you can try a bottle each, or whatever you fancy. And you can all decide how much you're going to put in your bottles and have some fun pouring the liquid in and out. So I'm going to set you up here. Oh, she says. Let's see if you can see me other than my leg. Okay, I'm going to go all the way back here. I've got my bottle. Right, now you've got to fling it up and see where it lands. And the idea is to get it to land on its bottom, but I can never manage that. Okay, see if you're better than me. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! It's rolling. I have landed on number 17. Okay, then if I had someone to play with, I'd pass it on to someone else. But apart from the odd rabbit out here, I haven't got anyone at the moment. But if you've got your brothers and sisters, or your mum and dad, or your grandparents, anyone at all, they can play with you. So you ready for the next one? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Still not got it to land this way up, have I? But I've landed on that number 6 with the big tummy. Yeah. All right, we ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I nearly hit you with it. Didn't land on any shape, so I landed on a white stone. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I landed on number 1 this time. Okay, I'm not landing it to stand up at all, so I'm going to pour a little bit of water out and see if that helps. Might pour it on my plants, that's the way I'm watering things, etc. Okay, so I've got less water now. I wonder if that makes me better at landing it. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nearly. It stood up for a minute. I'm back on number 17. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! The lid came off. Got water everywhere. But I landed on the crescent moon. Okay, you can keep doing this as long as you want, trying to get your bottle to land. As you've seen, I am not very good at this, but it is a good way of building up your vocab. Things you find difficult to remember, get your grown-ups to draw, or you can help draw it on the floor. So if there's a shape you find hard, or a colour, or a numbers, put them on the floor and have a go at seeing if you can land your bottle on them. See how long your bottle lasts and how much water is the best for making it land on its bottom. If any of you manage to get it to land on the bottom, I want to see it. Okay then, bye.